Then why don't you tell us?
Well, in 1883, this was invented as a toy. It was called the Tower of Hanoi, or the Tower of Hanoi. Legend has it that in the center of the earth, there was a dome. And in the center of that dome, there was a tower. A tower. A tower that was made of gold and diamonds.
Oh yes, I remember now too. The base and the rings of the massive Tower of Hanoi, like the Tower of Ground, were made of gold, and the pegs were made out of diamonds. They had 64 rings. They were really big and heavy. But the priests in that temple moved the rings 24/7 from one egg to another, trying to complete the puzzle. They say that when they finally achieve their goal, the world will end.
So, how you solve the Tower of Hanoi? Well, first I'll show you with 4 rings.
Wow, that's why you know everything. Do you know how to do it with 5 rings?
I'll try. No. Okay, 5 rings.
Okay, that's why I said that the 5-ring puzzle was too hard for him. So me and Adrian are gonna go research on it.
Okay,
In Mr. Peabody's room. Where's everybody?
the Tower of Hanoi is open.
No, the world has ended.
Go like,
I think so.
go like that.
Well, what do we need is a math notebook and a computer.
Okay,
Let's start
go.
with the computer.
Yes. Math book. Math book.
But that computer is too slow.
Okay, then let's go to the computer lab where the computers are all fast.
And Mr. Peabody is there.
Yay.
But it's noisy.
Yeah, well, but it's still fine. Let's go to the computer lab.
Yay!
I think I can do 60.
Science class. Wait,
Go videotape every. We're here at the computer lab. Let's see how SY's research is going.
what's up?
So that's why.
How's the research going?
Horrible. It's so hard to find information. Look. Tower of Hanoi.
Yeah, okay, then.
Look, there's so many websites, but the information we need is not on there.
So maybe we should make a table and see how it works.
When we were doing our research, we found out that it was impossible to get some information on the internet. This led us into making a table. This is our table. The number of rings represents the term number, and the number of moves represents the value of the term. N equals 2 to the power of n minus 1. Therefore, the moves of 64 rings will be 2 to the power of 64 minus 1. This number is equivalent to 18 quintillion, 446 quadrillion, 774 trillion, 73,409,551,615. This table led us to the conclusion that it is possible to solve the puzzle with 64 rings, but it wouldn't happen in a minute. It will take years and years, so we don't have to worry about the world ending anytime soon. Wow! SY, Precor, and Adron are such geniuses, but we're not going to remember anything if we don't have a recap, so this is our recap. In 1883, the Tower of Hanoi was invented as a toy, and then there was the legend. The legend tells us that in the center of the world, there was the Tower of Hanoi. It was made of brass, gold, and diamonds, and there were 64 rings. The priests tried to solve the puzzle, and the legend says that if the puzzle was solved, the world will end. Then, one of the geniuses showed us how to solve the puzzle with 4 rings. And then he showed us how to do it with 5 rings. But even though he's a genius, he can't do it with 5 rings, so the 3 geniuses decided to do some research. First, they went to Mr. Peabody's math classroom, and then they tried to use the computer, but it was too slow. So they went up to the computer lab and did some research on the internet. After doing like hours of research on the internet, they found out that the internet did not have decent information, and the 3 geniuses decided to make a table. They showed us their wonderful table, and then they told us that the formula for the minimum number of moves is 2 to the power of n minus 1. This is the end of the wonderful presentation. Thank you for watching. Once again, this presentation is made by the 3 geniuses S.Y. Prakar and A. John.